Welcome to Living Clean in the Country. Today's video I will show you how to make 6 different scented soy wax candles. To start, we're going to need a double boiler. Since I am using 6 1-cup jars, I'm adding 7 cups of soy wax beads and 3 cups of coconut oil. You will want to not quite double the amount of product to use for the jars, so when melted down you will have enough. Now we just have to let it melt. Now that the wax is melted, we're going to remove it from the double boiler and transfer it to a smaller container with a spout to make it easier to pour. I also covered my workspace with wax paper to make cleanup a lot easier. An extra cup of wax to the double boiler as I didn't quite have enough. Now I am adding about 20 drops total of essential oil to each of the jars, stirring them and adding a cotton wick. I used a clothes peg to hold the wick centered while the wax cooled. For the first candle, I added equal parts lemon and basil essential oils. The next candle is equal parts mandarin, grapefruit, and lime essential oils. Next is about 15 drops of orange and 5 drops of oregano essential oils. Next is equal parts rosemary, ylang ylang, geranium, and sage essential oils. Now that my extra wax is melted, I'm going to top up these candles. For the one candle, I'm going to do lavender and mint equal parts. And then for the last candle, I'm going to be doing eucalyptus and lemongrass essential oils in equal parts. You can use any combination of essential oils that you would like and modify the amount of oil added based on the potency you would like the scent to be. For the lemon and basil candle, I am topping it with lemon zest. I am topping the mandarin, grapefruit, and lime candle with lime zest. And for the lavender mint, I placed some lavender buds and let them float to different levels and then added a bit more on top once the wax had hardened a bit. Once the candles had hardened for 24 hours, I removed the clothes peg and then trimmed the wick to size. I labeled the lids of my jars with the oils that are in them. You could also make a cute little label for them. And there you have it. Beautiful candles for you to enjoy or to give to someone else as a gift. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.